tornado!
Tornado! Yes, tornado. That was brief.
Oh, yep, a helical vortex.
Yeah,
I got it on video.
Yep. Brief.
Oh, look at that motion. We have a nice multiple vortex. Nice multiple vortex. Do they see that? Oh, condensing.
Yep, that's a tornado.
Oh, look at the helical
Vortex, multiple vortex tornado, right? Oh, dude, they're spinning around each other. Dude. Yes, dude.
In the rain. No, don't wrap in rain. It's on the ground. It's on the ground. Oh, look at helical vortex. Big mass circulation. All right, do you want to?
We have one more mile.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, look at it, man. Oh man.
Film, please.
Yeah. Yep, there it is.
I think watch out.
Like rotation
Watch out.
right over us. We don't have much time, man.
No, we don't. Oh, it's on the ground back there.
Where is it?
No, it's not. Yeah, right back there.
I see it.
It's on the ground.
That's
a big tornado.
It's a big tornado. Well, not huge, but
It's
Can't
big.
really see.
dude, look at wrap it up again.
Yep.
I thought I was seeing something in it.
Look at the funnel.
Is it like this?
Yeah. In there, in the rain. This is pretty good.
Ah, it's gusting out again.
Your mom's gusting.
Guys, look to our left. Watch out. We're gonna have to move here in a second.
I don't see the tornado. I'm barely seeing the tornado.
You can still see it barely in there. I can see it on my vidcam screen.
Yeah.
It's in there though.
We need to move really soon, though. We need to move really soon.
Yeah.
Is it moving southeast?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the rain currents.
Like
Yeah, we're gonna have to go south.
Alright.
Massive tornado!
Look at the new wall cloud.
No contrast. Massive tornado. Oh, dude, the windmill right there. It's.
The green core.
Yeah, you can see it in these pictures. Okay, let's go. Yeah, hold on to your butts.
What? Can you see anything over there? That's the new wall cloud.
That is the new wall cloud.
And one more mile.
One more mile.
Okay. There's nothing
And
there.
you're gonna turn left.
We can not have time to send any closer.
No, because we stopped.
Oh, we got some good pictures there.
Yes.
Oh my.
Okay, this is your turn, dude. We're gonna make
Where?
it here to Crescent.
Crescent. Okay.
Yeah,
Right. This
where
one
that
right
guy's
here.
turning. Yes. Where the could have gotten wasted by that RFT. It's just rain, but it's rotating.
Go.
This road. I've been on this road so many times it doesn't even look familiar anymore.
chaser convergence.
Storms are going that far to the south. It looks pretty good.
Isaac! Final, dude, tornado!
That's a tornado. We're gonna get blasted by RFD, man.
Let's go.